Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. In case you are buying or selling a house or hoping to renovate your own, one of the main rooms we need to improve is the master bathroom. An outdated bathroom can truly communicate a message of uneasiness and even a lack of sanitization, an area we do not want to spend most of our time. In particular, who want to begin their morning in a horrid, not exactly engaging space not only serves to put us in a disappointment each day, probably no one. Even if you are in a budget, there are still many things you can do with this video on master bathroom ideas. There is truly no limit to the inspiration plethora of bathroom designs. Glass paneling, classic parquet tiling make of breathtaking art deco experience, while warm Tuscan hues and cool Pacific blues show off your own ideal transatlantic getaway. Rustic repurposed cabinet and antique fixtures make your cozy farmhouse decor, while obsidian and slate offers a decidedly metropolitan perspective. Your master bathroom is yours alone, and knowing that few others can impede on your personal space means no hold barred where your creative impulses are concerned. Whether you are dreamed of reclining like royalty in your own personal shower sauna or relaxing to the mellow earth tones of a cabin in the woods, your master bathroom is domestic canvas you have been waiting for. Life rarely awards day-to-day luxuries, and for many of us, the decadent bathroom is a thing of five-star hotel. Now is the time to seize a bit of that much-deserved splendor. Whether it's sinking into the deep claw-footed tub or shaving at your leisure over a state-of-the-art wash basin, cleanliness may be the next to godliness. But these best master bathroom ideas prove that you can achieve both in your own curated refuge. Whether you are making little improvements, going for full renovation, or merely dreaming of having one, a bathroom remodel can have a significant effect on the overall vibe of your home. So it's no surprise that alongside the kitchen, this functional space frequently takes major priority when it comes to remodeling. Be that as it may, picking a promise and pristine look isn't always simple. We have shown in this video a variety of master bathroom shower ideas, each loaded up with great ideas for your own remodel, including gorgeous vanities, relaxing bathtubs, and sophisticated showers. From fresh and receptive to lavish and luxurious, see these beautiful spaces that will truly take your bath experience to a whole new level. After all, people call it a master bathroom suite for a reason. It has all the right to be a showstopper. All things considered, in case you will soak in that tub, you better love your environment. Finally, take a look at master bathroom layout ideas and be inspired to apply them on your bathroom. We spend a great deal of energy and time in the bathroom, so giving your space that remodel it deserves is a smart decision. Colorful rugs, fresh houseplants, and smart storage systems will indeed revive a master bathroom in minutes, or invest in a complete makeover for significantly greater effect. Moreover, include an additional zen to your evening with a bathtub, or make your morning routine a lot simpler by including his or her sinks. Installing bold tiles and beautiful wallpapers as well as replacing hardware can make a substantial visual transformation. When you are planning to redesign your bathroom, think about how to make the space work for you. Regardless of whether you want to conceal mess in a storage basket, feature most loved items and carefully folded linens on shelves. Splendid white walls will certainly look crisp and clean, but don't shut the idea of including bold tile, carpet, or towel for a bit of color and contrast. In fact, they can warm up the bathroom and transform it into a cozier retreat. In any event, painting the trim a saturated tone can make a more welcoming vibe. Your senses frequently identify the decorative component that bring relaxation. For instance, It's a color palette that you appreciate for your site, regardless of whether it's warm, neutral, or brilliant tropical tones, as well as splatter-free mirror and clutter-free vanities. Meanwhile, it may be sweet smelling flame or the faint whiff of bleach that signals a spotless shower for your senses of smell. For sound, a tabletop fountain that bubbles continuously or a speaker dock to play your favorite music will certainly seal the deal. For touch, you can pick soft and delicate towels, warm rugs underneath. Finally, there is taste. In case you like to wake up with a cup of coffee or float away with calming chamomile tea, you can include that equipment that you require. For instance, it can be as intricate as single cup espresso shot or as straightforward as heating coaster to keep your cup warm. Next, you can go for refined look. Most importantly, a master bathroom should resemble an adult space. Regardless of whether it's a hall bathroom you share with your family or separated area you have as your own. Transitional master bathroom ideas need not be a room governed by colorful toys, dirty socks, or neon nail polish splatters. To truly make the most of your master bathroom, you should incorporate your interest and character in the master bathroom layout ideas. Do you frequently visit spa? Then replicate the hues and design layout of your preferred spot. Next, does fashion motivates you? You can also introduce a full body mirror on the door so you can try on different outfits. Or do you love to travel? Then put travel photos or destination on the wall. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern master bathroom designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family member. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers and make them aware of modern interior decoration design that are going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Telegram, all linked in the description box. A door on a hinge usually takes up significant room space when opened. One of the most preferred small master bathroom idea is a pocket door or sliding door on a rail. In general, these doors are parallel with walls whether you close or open them, enabling you to use the extra space that an open door with a hinge would take. These master bathroom remodel ideas will also help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Also, one of the greatest small master bathroom ideas is a floating vanity. Moreover, it will visually help the small bathroom seem larger because it does not cut off the floor plan. Besides, installing the vanity over the floor additionally opens up a space that you can utilize for storing smaller items while keeping the area untouched. Utilizing a large scale pattern for small master bathroom ideas can fool the eye into seeing a larger space. Also consider huge flower design wallpapers on large bathroom tiles. The more light you have in your area, the more it will feel open. If you want to make your master bathroom appear larger, then install a skylight. In fact, this is specifically one of the most clever small master bathroom ideas since it will present dispersed natural lights than direct artificial light. Another element to incorporate into your small master bathroom ideas is a long sink. It's particularly an incredible alternative to a double sink vanity since the countertop and sink come in one piece to save space and suit two individuals. In addition, a single long sink offers the illusion of a greater space. If your budget for a new home renovation is low, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on interior designers. To get the latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our website interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust in us. We will showcase you the best interior designs that will answer all your questions. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. So just watch all our videos and follow our website and app to get your home decorated. Do you want to build a quiet retreat in your home? Then maybe you want to consider a cozy spa like master bathroom. When you have this quiet space at home, you can certainly get rid of hassle of heading to the spa after work or on weekends. Luckily, a lot of similar amenities of an elegant spa are presently accessible for your home. First, a freestanding soaking tub provides a peaceful bath that may elevate your aching nerves better than a loud whirlpool. Also, introduce a light installation overhead to make a focal point in your bathroom. In effect, this is rich visual that radiates luxury, style, and sophistication. Secondly, an open doorless shower or walk-in shower with a frameless glass enclosure both give an inviting feeling of expansiveness. On the other hand, a rain head apparatus imitates the delicate touch of warm shower rain in summer, while a handheld shower and body sprays direct an increasingly commanding flow of water to particular areas of your body. Next, a steam shower calms strain or tension by means of moist heat. In addition, you can also disperse essential oils utilized for aromatherapy through the steam outlet. Moreover, you can install an LED chromotherapy lighting systems for an added comfort. Finally, double vanities or double sink provides the ease of customized grooming station. Also, extra storage space intended to accommodate your specific needs can carry a more positive beginning to your morning. Furthermore, please your senses with one of a kind sink that may incorporate cascading water features. When you start master bathroom remodel ideas, remember that you likely won't have the option to utilize all or a few features of your bathroom for quite some time. Also, you need to be patient and anticipate sharing bathrooms with other family members or find another bathroom outside your home in an event that only have one bathroom. In general, your master bathroom shower ideas see the most water use, placing it and its basic features at more serious water damage, while remodeling your master bathroom and avoid framework damages and mold issues by ensuring it's waterproof. In particular, this can mean guaranteeing your contract utilizes tile backing, waterproof drywall or green board whenever possible. Totally seals the floor and shower surrounds and put adequate waterproof caulk around the tub, shower fixtures and shower pans. Since grout is porous, ensure that contractor seals that as well. In case your master bathroom remodel includes getting rid of old floor and introducing another one, grab the chance to consider installing a brilliant heating flooring framework. Moreover, it will only keep your feet warm and comfortable, but it can also be an incredible element to distinguish your home from others if and when you choose to sell it. For fixtures that you will utilize each day, such as sink, cabinet, shower ideas, faucets and toilet, consider spending more to get quality and more value for money. In addition, search for goods deal on decor that you can easily replace like drawers, pulls, knobs or lightings. Friends, hope you like this video on modern master bathroom designs, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates whenever we upload a new video. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and also check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.